Cayman Islands and stayed at the beach and went shopping.
Yeah, some beach time and shopping. Very cool. Had a good time?
Yes.
And now you're ready. Were you waiting all day to come back and see us and sing with us? Because you like to sing. You love it, yeah? And she's very comfortable up here. You're going to see in just a minute. You guys ready for Cheyenne? I think they're still getting the music. Almost there. Cheyenne, do you know a joke? I don't either. So we just have to stand here and I'll feel awkward for a minute. Because these guys are so slow getting the music ready. What'd you say? Because you're rock stars? You can do what you want? All right, I think... They're almost ready, guys. All right. Can you give it up for Cheyenne as she begins the show for you guys this evening? And I'm sure you'll see her again. Here she goes.
1, 2, 3,
Cheyenne, thank you so much.